Welcome to the Text-Based Console, Part 2. Well, let's go ahead and fire up PowerShell and make it full screen. And we'll right-click and click Properties. In the last lecture, I demonstrated Command History in Quick Edit mode. And as you can see under Edit Options, all these options by default are all checked. We won't go over each and every option. If you want to know more, check out the documentation. I have descriptions for each option. Let's go over to font. As you can see, as I make changes in the font size, these changes are reflected in the preview window. So why is it important to choose the right font size? PowerShell can display information to the right or to the bottom. If you select the wrong font size, PowerShell could display your information past the desktop, and you may not see that information. I choose a font size of 16, and I like the Lucida Console font. I also choose bold font, and this is for presentation purposes. You can choose whatever font you like. It's your choice. Let's go ahead and choose Layout. The layout allows you to choose the screen buffer size, the window size, and the window's position. The screen buffer size changes the memory allocated to the desktop. There's a few important settings we need to verify. The screen buffer size width and the window size width must match. And here you can see we have the screen buffer size height set to 3000, which is compatible with most monitors. The rest of these settings we can choose the default. Let's go ahead and select colors. Now the best way to select your colors is choose a category. Here you can see we've selected screen background. You can select your color values, or you can come down here to the color bar and just choose whatever you like. And you can see these will be reflected in the preview window. Okay, let's put that back and click Cancel. Now let's go ahead and demonstrate tab completion. Type GET-PRO and press the tab key. And as you can see, tab completion completed the command. Now let's try another one. Type GET-EVEN and press the tab key. Okay. Now one thing I want you to notice is if you press the tab key, you cycle forward through the commands. But if you hold the shift key down and then press the tab key, you cycle backwards through the commands. Okay, let's try another command. Now type get get-ser, press the tab key. Now press return. Okay, in this list, these are all the services that are running on this Windows 10 machine. Now let's go over here to Bits. I'm highlighting Bits. That's the service that we're going to work with. It's the Background Intelligent Transfer Service. Okay, now press return. Okay, press your up arrow one time. There's our get service command. Space, we want to press hyphen and hit the tab key. And name is a parameter. Now we want the name of the service, which is Bits. Space, BI, press tab, and there's our service. Now press return. And as you can see, the status of the service is stopped. There's our service name, Bits. Okay, now how would you think we would start this service? How about start dash service space. Now press your hyphen and your tab key. Let me move that over. Press your tab key. We want the name space BI for Bits. Okay, now press a return. Okay, it looks like something happened. Now type get dash service space and type the hyphen, press your tab key. Now space BI again, press your tab key, and there's your Bits. Now press enter, and as you can see, the status says it's running. That was just a quick demo of tab completion in the text-based console.